Welcome to Ride the Wave Psychology. I'm Sarah Zeldenrust, a registered psychologist, and today I'm going to lead you through a 5-minute meditation to help anchor yourself in your breath. So take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your hands to rest gently. Softly close your eyes or lower your gaze, whatever feels better to you. Begin by simply noticing that you are breathing. There's nothing you need to change right now. Just notice. Now bring your attention to the flow of your breath. Notice the gentle inhale and the soft exhale. Follow the breath as it moves in and out. Allow your breath to be your anchor, something steady, something always available to you. If your mind wanders, that's okay. When you notice it, gently bring back your focus, back to the feeling of the breath, the rise and the fall, the rhythm of life moving through you. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in and the warmth of the air as you breathe out. Notice where you feel the breath most clearly. Maybe it's the tip of your nose, the rise of your chest, or the expansion of your belly. Choose one place to gently rest your attention. Let the breath be like an anchor, holding you in the present moment, no matter what thoughts, feelings, or sensations arise. Each time you notice your mind drifting, simply return to your breath. This will probably happen again and again. So bring it back to your breath without judgment. Each return is a moment of mindfulness that you are beginning to cultivate. So take some time now to continue to follow your breath, coming back to it again and again if the mind wanders, and just practicing this cultivation of focusing on the breath as your anchor. Now gently begin to widen your awareness. Notice the support of the ground beneath you. Notice the sounds around you. Take a deeper breath in and slowly breathe out. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes or lift your gaze. Carry the steadiness of your breath with you as you move through the rest of your day. It is always there for you as an anchor that you can return to. Thank you for taking these few minutes to ride the wave of your breath. I hope you have a wonderful day.